Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my crew who I call my subbies, and welcome if you are watching me for the very first time. I'm Desiree Marie and I do lock videos. I talk about my locks pretty much almost each and every day just to inspire and motivate you all that are locked or you're thinking about getting locks. This is a channel for you, girls and guys, everyone. I pretty much show you girls and guys my journey as I have started from the very beginning documenting my hair journey until this very moment. Now I'm 3 years locked. So I'll show you everything from washing my hair, maintaining it, styling it, getting to know my rhythm as a locked person, and kind of embracing my most natural, authentic self. So if you're interested in almost each and every day content, hit the subscribe button. You will not regret it. It's free, it's fun, and you're guaranteed something new almost each and every day. But anyway guys, thank you for watching yet another video. Today I thought I'd come to you as I have just washed my hair to introduce and kind of review, well, not really introduce because you've already seen me use this many times, but to review a shampoo that I've been using for about a month now on my locks. As you know, I'm pretty picky about the shampoos that I use. I don't use just about every single product on the shelf. I have tossed a few in the garbage just because they did not line up with my personal standards, and it just left my hair feeling a little icky. So there have been shampoos that have ended up in the garbage, and there is one that my husband is only using. I'm not using it because I don't really feel like it goes with my hair anymore. So I'm pretty picky about shampoos, pretty picky about products. I don't buy just anyone's products. But I wanted to try something different. I have been using the BROO shampoo, which is like a beer mixed shampoo. If you don't know, beer is really good for your hair. I was using that as a conditioning shampoo, but when that finished up, I was left to wonder what to use next. So that's when I decided to go to my local drugstore and pick up the very product that I'm about to tell you guys about now. I've been using it from about a month ago on my locks. I've been washing my locks consistently, so I pretty much know how it works with my hair. Just a disclaimer, I know that everyone's hair is different, so what works for me may not work for you. This is just my personal review with how, just explaining how this product works with my hair, in hopes that you would be motivated or inspired to pick it up or try something different, even if it's not this product. This is not a sponsored video, I'm just sharing the wealth. Alright, so here goes. Alright, so as you know, I've been using this shampoo for the past month now, and it is the Purifying and Charcoal Detox Shampoo by OGX Beauty Pure and Simple. This shampoo is meant to purify your strands with a clarifying blend of infused coconut charcoal and kaolin clay. And what attracted me to this product is that they mentioned it helps with buildup and dull hair. Those were the things that were really important to me when looking for a shampoo. Alright, so I decided to check out a few of the reviews that I see here for the OGX Charcoal Detox Shampoo. And I see some reviews here. I want to just share them with you. One review says that it is the best detox cleanse shampoo. They said, I used with the partner conditioner. This shampoo thoroughly cleaned my hair like a detox. It lathered well to my very long and very thick hair. I was worried my shower curtains would go black, but they didn't. As charcoal and clay is good for your skin, face, of course it would be good for your hair. I use this twice a week to give my hair a proper detox type cleanse. It really does clean all my hair out where it is ready to apply the partner shampoo. Let's move forward. Smells great and cured my dandruff. I bought this about 2 months ago because I was looking for a shampoo for oily hair and helps with dandruff. I read the reviews before buying and decided to try. So glad I did. When I first opened the bottle, I smelled it, and wow, I love ginger smell. I was in love with the smell. In the shower, I poured some in my hand and it comes out very thick like a jelly or hair gel, which I didn't mind. lathered it in my hands and then put it in my hair. It lathered pretty good and almost had a slickness too. Washed out easy, and it didn't leave my hair feeling stiff afterwards. Okay, so now the worst rated reviews say, got this as part of a Vox box. I can honestly say I was not looking forward to trying this shampoo after not enjoying the serum at all. At all. Excuse me. Put simply, I did not enjoy this shampoo either. I felt like the whole line is pretty gimmicky in what it is trying to achieve. My hair does not look shiny or silky like a mermaid whatsoever, quote unquote like a mermaid. I enjoyed it and applied it in the shower. The scent is great. It builds up a soft, fluffy lather very quickly and washed out to feel smooth and soft. 90% of the time I let my hair air dry, and I don't often dry my hair with a blow dryer, so this is based off of letting my hair air dry as usual. My hair feels dry and sad. My bleached and colored ends look frizzier than they usually do, and the ends also feel crunchy. They have never felt this way despite the bleaching. My uncolored hair does feel soft, but the way it looks overall is a drastic contrast. Just dry and frizzy and not great. Another person said, I was so excited to find a charcoal detox shampoo from my favorite brand. I have tried other purifying charcoal shampoos from other brands before and liked them. Well, sad to say, I absolutely hated this shampoo. It really weighed my hair down and left a weird, almost waxy residue in my hair. My hair looked so dirty and gross after I used this shampoo. I gave it a few tries, 3 to 4 times, but couldn't stand the way it left my hair looking and feeling. Ended up tossing the bottle out. I have never had another shampoo make my hair feel this disgustingly gross. Okay, so those are a few of the reviews that I found here on Google. As for me, I was really looking for a shampoo that would help me to prevent buildup. As you know, and those of you that have been following me for some time know that buildup is one of the biggest problems that I've had since the very beginning of my lock journey, and I've been locked for 3 years now, so there have been few instances where I have had buildup and I've had to pull out reinforcements to get the buildup out. This shampoo attracted me because not only the bottle and that it promises to detox with an ingredient that is pretty popular right now, which is charcoal, but it also says that it does not leave your hair feeling stripped. Now, while I was using this particular shampoo, I enjoyed that it was a clear texture. It was not an opaque texture. It was clear. Even though the bottle itself looks like it contains a dark formula, it's very clear and transparent, and as soon as you put it onto your hair and your scalp, it's pretty clear. I don't see that it has left anything in my hair, so to say, but it's a clear solution that I've been using, and I like the fact that it is a clear solution. It's not heavy and thick and creamy, but it's very thin. I enjoyed more than ever the fact that this shampoo lathers really quickly. There have been other shampoos that I've used that did not lather until maybe the 3rd try of washing my hair. So this one lathered almost immediately after applying it to my scalp, and that I really do enjoy, because I feel like when I have a really good lather when washing my hair, I feel like my hair gets its best shampoo session, if that makes sense. So because it lathered, it made me feel like it was really sudsing up and giving me the very best cleanse that I can possibly get. Now I understand that there are plenty other shampoos that do the very same thing, but talking about this one, I enjoyed that it was a very, very thick and almost immediate lather. It does not have any scent at all. I like that because I don't like shampoos that have like a very perfumey scent. I really enjoy just a very neutral scent, or a pepperminty, maybe tea tree kind of scent, but I don't really enjoy like a heavy perfumey scent. So I like the fact that I was able to wash this into my hair without, you know, almost choking on fumes, if you know what I mean. Now, rinsing this shampoo out of my hair is pretty easy. Once I rinse it out, it's out, and I really have no problem with this shampoo. Now, I am fully aware that many of you that view my channel and my videos do prefer a more natural and organic shampoo. If I can be very transparent and honest with you, this does not have the most natural ingredients completely. It's not as natural as maybe the Dr. Bronner's or other shampoos that you see on the market. This one does contain a few ingredients that not even I can pronounce. Now, I know that that's pretty not so good, maybe counterproductive, because I don't exactly know all that this shampoo has and what it can possibly do to me beyond my hair. However, it has been giving me a decent cleanse, a decent cleanse, where I have been very comfortable with how it's been cleansing my hair this far. It has not left me built up. There has been one subscriber that has mentioned on various occasions that they don't completely agree with using this. However, we all have different preferences, and what works for me may not work for you, and what works for you may not work for me. I can only share what works for me on this channel and encourage you to look for something that works for you as well. So honestly, I don't have any complaints against this shampoo. You know, besides the fact that it's not completely natural. Of course, moving forward, I'm going to be using something more natural, something that actually has ingredients that I'm very comfortable with. But for the time being, and the issue that I've been dealing with, you know, as far as the buildup is concerned, the shampoo has been pretty helpful, and I really don't have any complaint against it. It's very easy to rinse out. And after that, my hair does feel a little dry, but I know that that's how my hair feels anyway after a good shampoo. All I have to do is go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner and my oils, and just continue my moisturizing shampoo, and my hair will be just fine. But it does shampoo really well, so well that it will leave your hair dry if you don't go ahead and go in with something that actually moisturizes your hair, which is why they have their own conditioning solution. But as you know, I don't use conditioner in my hair, so I have no complaints so far. And if you are encouraged to purchase this, go ahead and try it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. If you are not someone who's very hung up on ingredients being super natural and organic, try this out. It may work for you, or it may not work for you. I can only share what works for me and be completely transparent and honest on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope that you were inspired by it, and that you pick it up and try it if you're looking for a new shampoo to use and you don't want to use the same old that everyone else is using. Maybe those products weren't working well with your hair in the first place. Try this one out. I honestly believe it is a good shampoo, and that anyone could try it out, whether you dilute it or you use it straight from the bottle. You know, just try it, give it a try, and I think it will work for you. It's very natural, and it works for my hair, like I said. So if you're interested in purchasing this particular shampoo, I do have the product link in the description box down below, so that you can get direct access to purchasing it for yourself, and that we all will, you know, we all can share the wealth and grow beautiful, long, healthy hair that is clean and free of all buildup. debris and anything that could possibly get into our hair. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for many more, because I upload almost each and every day. Also catch me on Instagram. It's Desiree Marie _. You can catch me on there, DM me, connect with me. I'm there when I'm not here, so you can always get some kind of access to me when I'm around. So thank you for watching. I love you, each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Later. Bye.